Haley, Haley, do you want to move into a cabin in the woods with me? Because I am your anonymous enemy. We can move into a cabin in the woods, and every day we will say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Haley. 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 There's pizza dough on my glasses, Haley. Haley. Move with me into a cabin in the woods. And we will be happy, and there will be animals. Animals.